Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I have missed talking to you guys. I don't know why I'm feeling excited about this video, but I really am. Anyways guys, let's get into the video proper. So my hair has been growing nicely and I'm really happy about it. This was just after I'd washed my hair, and yes, these rollers actually inspired this tutorial. I saw this at the market and I felt okay, let me try it, because the rollers I have are not that comfortable. I have the ones that make use of pins, and then I also have the ones that come with the stretchy rubber stuff, and they both of them haven't really worked for me. So I felt, let me try this one with the clip in and see how well it works. So going to the tutorial, I sectioned my hair, which is what I always do. It's really nice. It makes working on natural hair really easy. Like when you section your hair, it helps you get done with your hair in no time, and you won't even feel the fact that you're actually working on a full head. Now if you guys have noticed, I like having the side parts in my hairstyles. I just feel it looks better on me most of the time. I rarely do the center part stuff. Even when I do center part, I still find myself, manipulating it, and I still find myself manipulating it and giving it the side part stuff. Anyways, I sectioned my hair into four, two at the front and two behind. So for this hairstyle, these are the products I used. These are the products I used. I used water. Hello, are you a fussy hair person and you don't have a water bottle? What are you doing? Really, what are you doing? It just helps working with the hair. Very easy to comb, easy to do everything, easy. And then my leave-in conditioner. I am a dark and lovely person. I have tried Cantu. I didn't exactly get what the hype was all about, so I use argan oil, Hawaiian silk argan oil. I like the fragrance it gives to my hair, and it kind of makes my hair silky, really. And for the strong hold on the curls, I use ORS Lock and Twist gel. You can also use Eco Styling gel. My Eco Styling gel was almost finished, so I went with my ORS Lock and Twist gel, and I applied it on every cutout I rolled. Now for the rolling part, as you can see, I made sure the tips of my hair slept properly on the rollers before I continue the movement. This is really important, guys. It's really important. Make sure the tips of one's hair sleeps well on the rollers. Now let's see how well this clip works. Okay, it did just fine. I think I'm going to enjoy these fillers after all. I think I'm going to get my money's worth. So guys, I'm basically just going to continue the rolling process so you guys see everything, like everything. I'm not leaving anything out. I'm showing everything. So for the bigger sections, I mean the three remaining bigger sections, I prepped them with the products I used in prepping the first section earlier, which are water, leave-in conditioner, and argan oil. I use these three products for each section before going with lock and twist gel for every cutout. And I mean the small cutouts I rolled. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. See, yeah, there's some products you get and you don't even know why you get them in the first place. Like, you feel it's probably what was written on the body that attracted you to them in the first place. Well, this hairspray happens to be one of such products. I can't tell you what it does to my hair, but I just like the fact that it has a good fragrance, and blue happens to be one of my favorite colors. So anyways, and for that extra hold, I used soft and free hair hold spray. You could use any other good hair hold spray you have, whatever works for you guys, really, whatever works for you. Do not always go with what you see online. And for that shine, I use Classics Oil Sheen Spray. Like I said earlier, any other oil sheen hairspray can also work. Man, guys, I almost choked here. Like, I was close to choking. So this was the next day. I was all glad and ready to conquer the world. Now for the unrolling part, always go the opposite way. That's like go anti-clockwise. I don't know if I'm making sense in my explanation, but just the way I'm doing it in the video, don't just drag it out from under the curls, rather go anti-clockwise. Yeah, anti for my American viewers, anti-clockwise.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
After unrolling, I separated the curls, or should I say I divided the curls. Anyways, I divided each cutout into 2 or maximum 3 curls. Now if you have that extra time and want tinier curls, or however you feel you want the curls to look, you could divide them into more, like maybe 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or thereabout, whichever way. And after that, I went in with this fro comb to give the hair that extra volume. And finally, for the baby hairs, I used the tested and trusted Petals hair gel. See, if you're a fussy person and you're always having issues with your baby hair slipping and all that stuff, don't even stress yourself. Just get yourself Petals. This is not an ad video or any of that sort. This is just me, saying it as it is. Because I've had many naturalistas ask me, how do you get your baby hair sleeping so well, this, that, and they're always surprised when I tell them it's Petals. So guys, like I always say, whatever works for you, stick to it. Forget all the hype you see on social media and all that stuff. Don't get me wrong, some of those products might work for certain people, but if it doesn't work for you, look for what works for you, even if it's not as expensive or not as promoted as those other ones you see online. Just stick to it, guys. So we've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share to that loved person you feel might find this video useful, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Do not forget also to click on the bell next to the subscribe button to always get notified whenever I put out a new video. Thank you guys so very much. I love you all. Goodbye.